We move deeper into the era of commercial space exploration. Private companies are setting their sights on the moon. However, as recent events have shown, successfully landing on the lunar surface is no easy feat. In this video, we'll take a closer look at why it's so difficult to land on the moon, the challenges that private companies face, and what the future of commercial lunar missions might look like. The moon presents a unique set of challenges for spacecraft. Compared to Earth, it has reduced gravity, very little atmosphere, and lots of dust. Engineers need to anticipate how a spacecraft will interact with this environment, and spend a lot of time and money testing how things might go wrong. Tests, and more tests are needed to prove out the landing system in as many scenarios as possible. And even then, nothing is guaranteed. Only 3 entities have successfully soft-landed on the moon: the government-funded space agencies of China, the Soviet Union, and the United States. Private companies are now trying to repeat these successes without the same level of resources or the lessons gleaned from many failed and successful missions. As a result, commercial companies are running into challenges in their bids to land on the moon. The recent failure of the M1 spacecraft, built by Tokyo-based company ispace, highlights the difficulty of landing on the lunar surface. Even if a lander makes it to the vicinity of the moon, it still has to navigate its way down to the surface with no global positioning satellites for guidance, and virtually no atmosphere to help slow it down. Once it gets within the crucial last few kilometers, its software has to deal quickly and autonomously with any last-minute challenges, such as its sensors potentially becoming confused by large amounts of dust kicked up from the surface by exhaust plumes. Both of the 2019 landing failures probably stem from software and sensor issues during these final moments.
Subsequently, the communications from the lander to ground station was lost. Data is being analyzed.
Despite these challenges, several private companies are scheduled to land on the moon soon, partially funded by NASA. These landers are part of the Commercial Lunar Payload Services (CLPS) program, in which private companies aim to build landers and fly payloads from NASA and other customers to the lunar surface. One of these landers, built by the company Astrobotic in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, was anticipated to take off in early May, but delays in readying its rocket means the launch will probably slide by several months at least. That could mean that a lunar lander from Intuitive Machines, in Houston, Texas, is first up to launch, perhaps as early as June. In conclusion, while landing on the moon remains a challenging task, private companies are making progress towards achieving this goal. With a lot of hard work, testing, and perseverance, we may see the first successful private moon landing in the not-too-distant future. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment below on what you think it will take for a private company to successfully land on the moon. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and check this video.